if you see me in a Cleopatra look, people love that. If you see me in a cute, girl next door, people even love that. When I went back to Diwali party, I met my school friends after really long, and they mentioned, Rushi, you're still the same. You haven't changed a bit. You're still the same. So, but during lockdown, actually, थोड़ा time मिल गया था to go with Instagram live and all. But अभी तो बिल्कुल possible नहीं है because now all the shootings have started.
Well, hi, this is me, Gunjan, and we have this very gorgeous Urushi Ratela with us on Instant Bollywood. Welcome, Urushi, and also congratulations, आपका नया गाना लॉन्च होने वाला है, जिसके बारे में बहुत कुछ सुनने को मिल रहा है, लेकिन गाना सुनने को नहीं मिल रहा है. So tell us about the song.
गाना बहुत ही जल्द आपको सुनने को मिलेगा within few days, and then I think वो चांद कहाँ से लाओगी, it's very something which holds a very special place in my heart, and it's not just a song for me. I think it's much more than that, and it's very exceptional, and it has that emotional crescent and emotional arc in my heart. And people who are in love or who have been in love or about to fall in love, they will connect with this song, as this song purely defines unconditional love to me. The lyrics are beautiful, the song is amazing, the composition is so great, and done by Vishal Mishra, and I collaborated with an actor called Momo Mohsin Khan. So yeah, it was a great collaborative effort, and it was wonderful being part of the वो जान कहाँ से लाओगी.
So, जैसे कि आपने कहा कि बहुत कनेक्ट है आपका इस सॉन्ग के साथ पर्सनली, एंड यू सेड दैट्स बिकॉज ये छोटे शहर से आई हुई लड़की की स्टोरी है. टेल अस मोर अबाउट योर स्टोरी, कि जब आप छोटे शहर से आए थे तो क्या क्या चीजें आपको बॉम्बे के बारे में बहुत ही अलग, बहुत ही डिफरेंट लगी?
No, I mean, I connected in a way because when during the lockdown, when we received the track, then we heard the song. Obviously, the concept and everything was made later on. But when I heard the song, the lyrics, I connected with the lyrics. I connected with the music because I am a very romantic person in real life. That is the way how I connected with the song. Because the song is also very romantic.
It is very romantic. But आपकी लाइफ में भी रोमांस का क्या हाल है? Is it on priority or is it on backbencher?
No, it's all like that. See, when it happens, this is something which you cannot plan. Life में सारी चीजें आप plan कर सकते हो. You can plan everything, but love or romance is something you cannot plan. It happens when it has to happen, will happen. So, चाहे हम कितनी कोशिश कर लें, कितनी हमारी मर्जी हो, कितने हम जोर लगा लें, but you cannot force love or you cannot fall in love by thinking that I want to fall in love. ऐसा नहीं होता है. So yeah, but I think because I love romance as a genre, and I feel that it's a beautiful thing to experience romance and to experience love.
Right. You also were saying something about the lyrics, and Manoj Muntashir ne lyrics likhe hain, who is known for his very heart-wrenching lyrics. Is there a part of the song jisko aap bahut zyada pasand karti hain? Any lines, any words that strike a chord with you?
I cannot mention one line because the entire lyrics are so amazing, so deep, and you touch your heart and your soul. So I cannot mention just like one single line. I really love the ending also. I mean, I love the song entirely. I love the full song. So yeah, I cannot mention.
Okay, awesome. Tell us more about the song. How was it shot? Because right after lockdown pandemic, right after हमें देखने को मिल रहा है. So how did you guys manage the shoot? What was the plot like? It's been beautifully shot. How was it working with your co-star? How did it all happen?
It was very easier because we shot it in Mumbai in the real locations, like by the sea, and obviously we were shot in this. We shot in sets as well, but more of outdoor location while having coconut water or like enjoying the beach view or dancing or normal, just like that. So it was amazing. Yeah.
It's amazing. Lockdown has been a hard time for a lot of people. आपके लिए lockdown कैसा रहा? Were there anything different that happened? Any realizations that dawned upon you?
Yeah, I think lockdown in 2020 has been the biggest learnings of our life. We learned so much about life and how much we should value our health, and we should value our life. We should value people. We should value people who are very close to us and our loved ones. I think it was the biggest learning, and I think ये ज़रूरी भी था because you know what I mean. No matter how hard we try, or no matter how much we plan in life, whatever has to happen will happen, and God will make sure that He gives you learning in the right time and in the right way, you know. So I think for everyone it was a very different learning. For me it must be something else, for you it must be something else, but everyone learned something or the other thing.
Something. Right. Right. Like for me, I feel like I'm a certain person जिसको uncertainty बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगती. Like for me, I need a plan. I need to know what's happening. I can't deal with it. But then for me, the learning was that life was like, oh, here's here's uncertainty, which is boundless. Up, go figure out your life. So for me, that own learning was very huge. ऐसा कोई personal lesson आपके लिए रहा कि उर्वशी ऐसा करती है, but then this time she has to let go of that.
I think for me, I mean, obviously, I learned so much. The entire lockdown was full of learnings. But I would say one thing professionally, I learned earlier. I used to say flat no for something I don't want to do, but now I've become more receptive in terms of, you know, just like I would say receptive in a way like appreciating other people's hard work. I mean, not that I didn't appreciate it before. I appreciated, but how do I tell you, like. Just being, I have always been very respectful towards others, but even being much more grateful and much more blessed, you know, actually feeling that. Yeah.
Yeah. Just appreciating the little things, right? That's happening around you.
Yeah.
Super. Urvashi, you've been somebody who सिर्फ एक चीज नहीं करती, right? Like you're an actor, you're a dancer, you're like everywhere. You're also a social activist. And there's tons of things happening. But do you plan these things? Like, did Urvashi plan कि मैं ये सब करूँगी या ये सब कुछ बस हो जाता है?
See, I'll tell you, it depends. There are different sort of actors. There are actors who are not comfortable or like who have a stage fright or they don't like to perform. I mean, I do my performances. I do. I mean, it's different. Like, okay, let's take two examples. There is one Priyanka Chopra who does everything, and there are certain. I wouldn't name them, but then there are certain actresses who don't do everything, like, you know, be it like singing or be it like collaborating with international artists, or be it like for example, I became the first Indian to be the showstopper at Arab Fashion Week, and which is a massive news for everyone. So I mean, be it my collaborations or be it like anything, it has to be it with beauty, fashion, or fitness, or health, films. Food, I mean, anything like singing, music, and all. So I think my genres are completely open. Like I do every single thing, and I fit into any sort of a box very easily. Like if you see me in a Cleopatra look, people love that. If you see me in a cute, girl next door, people even love that. So I think I would say that the fact that people love to see me in different shades is also the reason that, you know, I'm always busy, or like I'm always in different things. I think that also might be the reason.
Right. Urvashi, you're also somebody who's been consistently evolved kiya hai, right? Like whether it has been your looks, whether it has been your work, you're constantly evolving, right? As a very young girl, जो सबसे पहली बार उत्तराखंड से न्यू दिल्ली आई थी, I mean, what was some of the stark changes that you saw in the environment, or how did you feel कि आपको बदलना पड़ेगा अपनी कुछ चीजें to keep up with how the life is or how the glamour world is?
When I went back to Diwali party, I met my school friends after really long, and they mentioned, "Rushi, you're still the same. You haven't changed a bit. You're still the same. It's just like, ठीक है, पहले you were like a head girl of our school. Abhi you've become a Bollywood actor. So that is the only change. Right. Otherwise everything, I'm still the same Urvashi, still a girl who enjoys doing weird things and fun things. So I mean, हमको खुद को नहीं पता चलता. कई बार जब हमें हमारे school friends बताते हैं, अरे यार तुम बदल गई हो या फिर तुम नहीं बदली हो, तो I think my friends, surprisingly, they told me Diwali party, they were telling my parents कि auntie, uncle, like Urvashi is still the same. So I think मैं change नहीं हुई हूँ. I'm still the same Urvashi.
That's superb. That's superb. Is there a advice that you have for the youngsters जो छोटे शहरों से आते हैं, for them to not fall into the trap of the wrong side of Bollywood?
I think life is all about choices and the decisions. छोटे शहर से जो आते हैं तो obviously उनका एक जज्बा होता है, उनमें कुछ कर दिखाने की एक चाहत होती है. They are full of passion and everything.
Yeah.
So I think मैं बस ये बोलना चाहूँगी, just focus on your craft and try better. Keep just like polishing your craft and
Yeah,
genuinely be very passionate about what you do, not about the
yeah,
glamour part or
yeah.
other part, but yeah, genuinely just like fall in love with the craft.
That's superb. That's superb. Also, we see this very glamorous girl next door, but like really pretty avatar of yours in this music video. People are loving that. People are loving the fact that how the chemistry between the couple is. Is there more chemistries like that that we'll get to see? More of those interesting roles that we will get to see of yours in this year or the coming year?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course you'll get to see more. Announced right now. The official statements will be made in December.
Huh.
There'll be a lot more in store. Yeah.
Right. How was it working with Vishal Mishra? Like, how did the collaboration happen? Was it Vishal who rang you up and said, Rishi, mere paas ek bahut amazing Gana and I'd see you? Or was it something that was done more at the label level?
I think it was through the team of Viral Originals, and when we heard the song, obviously it was fabulous. And Vishal himself, he is, he has the knack of recognizing what good music is, and
Yeah.
he kills it with his powerful vocals. He doesn't actually require the background music. I mean, he's one of those blessed souls. And at the same time, my actor, Mohsin Khan. Uh, Again, I worked with such a great team of professionals that it was a very smooth experience, and we had so much of fun. And at the same time, we know for sure that we delivered something which people will love and people will enjoy.
Right. We also saw you talking to people like जिस तरह से हम इंटरनेट पे मिल रहे हैं आपने बहुत लोगों से इंटरनेट पे बातें की गुफ्तगू की during the lockdown and is there somebody you wish you could have interacted with and done a Instagram live with अगर physically उनसे मिलना possible नहीं था like people you are wishing to collaborate with and speak to?
I mean, during lockdown, we couldn't move out of our houses. So I think the only option we were left was with going live or, doing some sort of collaborations. And I think that has now kind of become very common because everyone is kind of doing that. Like how, for example, one of my
Yeah, who
friends,
wants to
Jacqueline.
get out now? They're like ऐसे ही मिलते हैं.
Yeah, I mean, it's just like a normal thing. Look at us. Like we never,
Look at us.
we never did these. We always did face to face, but now we are doing it. So one of my friends,
Yeah.
Jack and Amanda, they are doing Instagram live. They're doing something inspiring podcast. So I mean, everyone is taking the same route now. Everyone is doing the same thing, and I think there's nothing harm in it. There's no harm in it when you are like so apart. When one of the person is in Mexico or one of the person is in US, then obviously you have to do IG live or like a live session.
Right, but nobody who you are wondering and hoping to do a collaboration with, and now because the distance is not a problem, anybody could be your big.
Actually, see now I'll tell you, lockdown we had a lot of time. Now we don't have
Huh.
time. The life has
But
gone.
I too heard that. But I heard you had no time during lockdown. Also, you finished some movies and you finished some other shoots, right? You had a very busy lockdown.
Yes, my film, which came out and received so much of love again, thanks to everyone for giving so much of love for Virgin Priya. So surprisingly, it released during lockdown, and I had a full 2-3 weeks filled with interviews, and also I was working also. But during lockdown, actually, थोड़ा time मिल गया था to go with Instagram live and all. But अभी तो बिल्कुल possible नहीं है because now all the shootings have started and we are working now, so abhi to I don't think so that some sort of that activity will be happening. But that time we talked about what was happening in the world and everything, and I was also part of this international film, Spanish film, which was about coronavirus and COVID-19. So again, that was my first international film. But then, that time there was time. Now there is no time.
Super. When we hope that this no time phase stays true for you forever and forever. And congratulations on the song again. Thank you so much for talking to us at Instant Bollywood.
Pleasure so much. And please, do watch Wo Chand Kahan Se Laogi and give lots of love. Yeah.
For sure. Thank you, Rishi.
Thank you so much. Thank you.